In this video, we'll summarize the top 10 benefits of correct toes and explain why correct toes is, in our experience, the most powerful foot health tool available to consumers today. Number 10. Dedicated use of correct toes makes your feet stronger and better able to support themselves. Number 9. Correct toes enhances your balance, weight distribution, proprioception, and toe dexterity. Number 8. Using correct toes is a great way to build strong, healthy feet that will carry you far in your athletic pursuits. Number 7. Correct toes enables your intrinsic foot muscles to fire more frequently, become stronger, and improve the integrity of your main foot arch. Number 6. Correct toes gives your body the most stable possible foundation and helps you avoid musculoskeletal problems in other parts of your body. Number 5. Correct toes restores proper sesamoid bone orientation and helps prevent or address the painful condition known as sesamoiditis, as well as other ball of foot problems. Number 4. Correct toes helps improve circulation throughout your foot, including in your plantar fascia. This helps prevent or address the heel pain associated with plantar fasciosis. Number 3. Correct toes stabilizes your entire foot and ankle by splaying your toes, which in turn prevents overpronation. Number 2. Correct toes enables natural arch support, one of the true fundamentals of natural foot health. Number 1. Correct toes addresses and prevents a wide range of foot and toe pain, ailments, and deformities such as bunions, hammer toes, claw toes, plantar fasciosis, neuromas, and hallux limitus. To find out more, click the link to the article in the description below. Subscribe to the Natural Footgear YouTube channel for similar videos, and sign up for our newsletter and e-courses to learn more about natural foot health.